This is AruvaChan, and long time no see. I have been doing a lot of soul searching and a lot of inspirational walks, and I've been really busy with a job, so I haven't been able to post in a while, but I decided that my first few videos that I would have coming back would be really nice for you guys, so I decided I would go take a nice little walk, and I'd take you guys with me. So I hope you guys are just as inspired by the rain as I am, because this is today's picture. I am drawing a cute little umbrella and rain-inspired girl. And if you guys love rain as much as I do, you probably have spent most of your life out in the rain, just like I have. And I don't know about anybody else, but when I was younger, I would love to hop around in the rain puddles, and spring and early summer are really my favorite time of year because there is just so much rain and it constantly is coming down, and the sound of rain is just so nice. The pitter patter of the raindrops on my umbrella was such a beautiful sound. So I wanted to share that all with you guys, and I hope that this painting inspires you guys to make something or even take a walk for yourself. Alright guys, I'll see you later. you guys like this kind of video and you'd like to see more of this kind of thing in the future, please leave a like, and then it lets me know that you guys are enjoying this. And if you guys are liking me and you haven't yet, think about subscribing. I am going to most likely be uploading more often now because I've got the hang of everything, but I definitely will see you guys in the future. Bye!